What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back for another episode. We get straight to the point. We are going coyote hunting. Me and Bubba, he got him a Fox Pro call, and I've been getting a ton of photos. I'll show you guys those right now. Now these pictures, they're not in high definition, so kind of a low def, but I've been getting tons of photos of coyotes, just one after another, and I need to get them killed. So I need to get these things killed before fawn season starts, before the does start dropping the little baby Bambies on the ground, because coyotes are a really bad predator. As you've seen in some of these photos, we had some bobcats too, so if we see one of those, we'll definitely shoot it. But the bobcats seem to be staying way back in the back, so after we get done with this set, we may drive around and go try another set in the back or something. That's about the only other thing I know to do, but I gotta be quiet when we get down in here. So we're gonna go down here, make a set the Fox Pro up, and I think we're gonna go probably down where the end of that tree line's at. I've been seeing a lot of coyotes. They're over there, but we don't want to get too close to them. So we're gonna go down here and get set up, and hopefully we kill something. I'm not bringing a gun. Bubba's gonna do the shooting, gonna do the calling, and I'm gonna do the filming. So see if we can get a video for you guys out on some coyote hunting, because I've never done it. So honeybees are cold. It's like, what, 40 today? 40 degrees today. But all right, I gotta be quiet. So we'll see y'all when we get down there, hopefully when we get one dead. He just set the Fox Pro up. I think we're gonna set up right here because we kind of got, if you can see, it's real thick around here. It's all open, we can see, so hopefully they don't come. Hopefully they don't come from right over here, because this is really thick. Bubba's set up here. I'm just gonna hide in this tree. He's got a freaking chair. It's starting to rain on us. Hopefully we can call one up. I've sure been seeing a lot on camera. I had a friend come out here the other day. He called up 5, but he wasn't right here. It's been like a month ago. Let's see what happens. I have a feeling if they come, they're gonna come from the left. Try a rabbit. I guess, I don't know. I'm not a coyote sounds good. See what happens. You see it? Damn it. I think he's seen you. Well, we actually called one in, but I think he's seen us or something. I don't know. He come out right up here. Come out right. Did you ever see him in the scope?
Yeah, but I haven't zoomed in. I was trying to zoom in. I quit. Because I haven't zoomed out.
Well, we don't know what we're doing. Bubba just bought this call. So that coyote busted us, I think. He seen Bubba reach for a scope or, I don't know, I was sitting in this cedar tree, so he was a long ways off. So you coyote hunters out there, let us know, what do we do whenever something like this happens? Do you just say, oh, we messed up and pack up and come back another day or what? That couldn't have worked out any more perfect, did he? Come out perfect. Really needed to get that sucker killed. That was a big coyote. They said, I think from what all I've seen, like, something don't come in within 15 minutes, you may as well just get up and go to another spot. But well, we had one come in, so what do? I can't believe we had one come in.
We screwed it up.
There's always another day. At least we didn't scare him too bad. All right, well, we're going to debate on what we need to do next. Well, that set didn't go 100% as planned, but for our first time ever, we called one in, so that's pretty good. I texted my neighbor. I always see coyotes over here, so we're going to go try it. He said we could get over there and try to do one more set. So we're going to go down here and cross the creek, and then they're like I always see them, like right over here in this low spot. They got dens and stuff over there, so we're gonna try to sneak in close to them, put this Fox Pro up, and we're gonna try, it's all mowed, so we should be able to see better. Out here it's really tall. But we're gonna try to go set up again, get after them. We were walking over here and we ran into a bobcat. It looked like it was headed towards where we were sitting. I didn't get any video of him. We're gonna go down here and see if we can cross the creek. We can't cross the creek, so that's a no-go. I think we could have that bobcat in if we just would have walked across. All these coyotes over there. Well, no success here. Called in the one coyote, and then we also called in a bobcat, which we got up too early. It was headed our way, and we didn't sit long enough, I guess. We kind of got frustrated after the coyote busted us, but we kind of set up over here expecting something to come from out here, and nothing did, so we're done. We're gonna regroup, watch some more YouTube videos on how to do this. If you're a professional coyote hunter, knows what's going on, leave some comments down there. Tell me what we're doing, what we need to do. Try to help us out some. But yeah, that's all we got for you. So till next time, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you all in the next video.